What's up, my class? Here we go with today's work. We are going to do a little coding today and experiment with some stuff. So we're going to come here, we're going to go to play, we're going to go to create new, we're going to jump on templates, grab us a block of grass, and create a new one. Alright, you can give yourself a name. So just go last name underscore practice hit play. Alright, it's going to get loaded. We have ourselves just a flat world. Very exciting. We're going to press the letter C. We're going to press the letter C, and when it gives us these choices right here, let me show you. You want to take this top one right here, which is make code. That's what we're going to do. Alright. So we're going to make code, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come here to chicken rain, and we're going to do chicken rain, and we're going to do blocks. This button right here goes half screen, or this goes full screen, however you want to do it. Alright, so we're going to have some fun making some chickens rain. So here we go. It tells us what to do. Put in an on-chat command and rename it to chicken. So on-chat command, I'm going to rename this to chicken. Alright, hit the next button. Put in spawn to spawn a chicken at my position. So spawn, put that in there. I need a chicken. Excellent. And this means 0, 0, 0. This means right on top of me. If I changed it to this, it would be like 4 left or right. Alright, if I change this to 4 or 5, whatever, it'd be 5 in front or behind. So I don't really want them on top of me like it says, so I'm going to bump them over like 3 and 3. So they're going to be a little bit to my left, a little bit to my right. Okay? Alright, next thing we need to do, and if you're ever confused, you can just hit this button, boom, and it shows you exactly what you should have. Okay? Alright, so we're going to put a 10 in the middle, and that's going to be how high it is. So it's going to go 10 blocks above our head. Again, they're using zeros. Let me just going to be right on them. I'm not using zeros. Go to Minecraft, press letter T to open the chat, and type chicken, and we should see it happening, alright? So we're going to hit this green button, tap the letter T, type chicken, bam. Where are my chickens? Where did my chickens go? Alright, I got one chicken. Yay, I got a chicken. There he goes, come floating down right there. Alright, so you can see it again. Yay! Yeah, but that's boring. So we press letter C. The chicken is lonely. Put a repeat block around it and spawn 100 chickens. So we're going to grab a loop. Alright, we're going to throw it in here. We're going to loop this bad boy 100 times. Now, let's see what happens when I type chicken. I'm going to look up in the sky a little bit. Chicken. There we go. Now we got some birds. You know what I'm saying? Birds on birds on birds. Chicken galore. Just chickens everywhere. And it says, I am done. Alright, we have done it. So you also have the ability, if you want, you can throw another animal here. So we have some chickens, but let's do some donkeys. Alright, and you know, we'll do some wandering trader. I'm going to right click duplicate, and we'll do polar bears. Sure, why not? Alright, so now same situation, press the letter T, hit chicken. All kinds of things are happening. I'm under attack. Alright. See how I didn't change these? I left them on 0. Remember, 0, 0, 0 means put it on top of me, and that's where they all started falling on me. So if I'd have moved these over, you know, I want him at 7, I want him at 6, and I want him at 5 away from me, and done it. And you'll see they're falling over there. He's falling over there. So we got chickens all over the place. You can see we've created a disaster. Alright, so there's one of them. Alright, I'm going to fly to a new area. Before we go to our next one, see if I can get away from these people. Alright. So they're still falling. So we're going to go slash kill at E. Kill all those guys. Slash kill at E. Wipes all those dudes out. Alright. Yay, we can get going. Alright, so let's go back to coding. So when we click finish, alright, now we go back to our home. We have Chicken Rain. We have done the 7 steps for Chicken Rain. So that is good. Okay? Next up, we're going to do this flower trail. So we're going to click on flower trail with a new box. Start the tutorial. Get on player walk and put it into the workspace. So we're going to come here, on player walk, boom. Next, get a place and put it inside on player walk. So place, put it inside on player walk. Change the grass block to dandelion. So, you know, dandelion, D-A-N. There it is, dandelion. Choose that one. The number 000 means the flower will be placed at your current position. So every time you walk, every spot you walk gets a flower. Alright, let's add more flowers. So we're going to do another place. So I'm going to right click, duplicate. Change grass to oxeye. And then it says start walking. Turn around and you'll see a flower trail. Alright, so this is just going to happen when we walk. So off we go. Alright, so everywhere I walk, there are flowers. Isn't that special? So you can change this to whatever you want. If you wanted for fun, if you wanted everywhere I walk, I want TNT, and I wanted TNT to be right behind me and one off of where I'm at. So now when I walk, dun, 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 what a trail. Alright. No. Put that back in. Alright, you can make it anything. You can make it pigs, you can make it animals, you can make it traders, whatever you want. So whenever you walk, you get these things. Alright, so I'm walking. I'm getting TNT behind me. So, you know, you could set it off and do all that stuff. Alright. Going to another new area. Alright, very good. Dun 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 dun. Alright. So let's get our flowers back here. We need a daisy. And get me I'm gonna take a pink tulip. In the first place, change the 0 to a 1. Very good. In the third place, in the first position, change to a -1. So it's going to be 1 to my left, 1 to my right. All right, and let's get another one and put it right behind me and make you red tulip. All right, make you 0. So now I'm going to get a path right behind me as I walk. I'm going to get a path of 3. See, I get plenty of flowers. I could plant the garden, pick up some flowers for my mom. All right, now it stops when I'm on the donkey because it has to be the person walking. Very good. Very good. Very good. All right. We've done Chicken Rain. We've done Flower Trail. Now we're going to go right. Click on this arrow. We're going to do Billboard. Put in on chat command and rename it to print. So I'm going to put print. Boom. Next step. Place a print inside the on chat command's username as the text. So print. Put it in here. Use my name. I'm going to use capital letters. I highly recommend capital letters. Let's change this to Smith. We could do grass. We could do TNT. It suggests TNT, but instead of TNT, I'm going to do a pumpkin, just to be fun. Type print and watch my name appear. Okay, so here we go. Press the green button to get out here. Whoa. Look at that. Whoa. All right. Smith. So I could even change it. All right. We could make it even longer if you want. You want to print that Mr. is the worst teacher ever. Print. Bam. Ta-da! All right. So if you did that with TNT, obviously you could blow it up and have yourself a fantastic time. All right, so we got one more today. We'll come out here in the middle of nowhere. All right. So let's go back to our home. Look, I've done billboard. I got this. I got this. I got this. All right, final one we want to do. TNT. Final one for today is TNT. I'm going to change this to just a TNT. So I come out here, I type